Hey guys, this is Matt with H Airsoft. Today we're bringing you a review of the H&K CO2 non-blowback pistol. Okay, so let's get right into it. First thing is the clip. CO2 slides in from the bottom right here. First you unscrew the little cap with an Allen wrench. You stick CO2 in and you screw it back real tight. The clip also holds approximately 16 rounds fully loaded. The gun, top slide is metal, the bottom receiver is plastic, but it's a very good polymer. The safety is a good thumb safety right there, so when you're shooting one-handed, it's very easy to turn the safety on and off. The trigger release is very neat because it's in the guard of the pistol. Just slide it down just like that, and the clip comes out. The FPS on this gun is about 400 FPS. We bought it at eBike for $55. So that's about it, and we'll go outside and have a shooting test.
Here we are shooting the Heckler & Koch USP CO2 non-blowback pistol. Alright, let's go take a look at the box. You can tell it's a pretty accurate pistol. Shooting through it at a good 40 feet. It's a pretty nice gun.